So earlier I've shown making one thick base. So now I'm going to do two bases out of this. I'm going to make it into two parts for getting thin pizza base. This is almost 9 inches. So I'll roll out the full diameter. You can see it is stretching. I'll do one more. So now I'll prick it with fork and again leave it for 5 more minutes. So it has been preheating in 200 degrees centigrade. So now I can open and place the base for baking. I'll just stop. So you can see it is going to take 7 minutes for baking this pizza. So instead of the thick one, I'm going to make two thin pizza base. So I'm keeping the low rack and I'm going to keep the high rack as well. And then press start. 7 minutes are over. The pizza base is ready. It's very hot now. Just to cool down. So once it is cooled, you can see just like you get in the bakery, it is ready. With these two pizza bases, I'm going to make pizza using the ready-made pizza sauce. I've got all the herbs here, seasonings. I've got olive oil, I've got mozzarella cheese, and I've got cut chopped vegetables and also sliced vegetables. So first step is I'm going to keep it in the microwave for half a minute. So I'll sprinkle some salt and pepper in this both. I've just made it two different types just to show. You can do whichever way you want. So I'll keep this first for half minute, full power. So even before baking, it is slightly crunchy and cooked. Something like stir fry. It is not just raw vegetables, so it's slightly cooked. So the chopped ones are ready. Now these rings. Must have seen their onion, tomato and capsicum. You can use colored capsicums, you can use mushrooms, paneer, you can use whichever combination of vegetables you like. So your vegetables are ready, all your seasonings, everything is ready here. It's already on the tawa, multi-cooked tawa. So I'm taking a little bit of olive oil in this. So I'm going to brush this base. So now I'll apply the pizza sauce. I have a ready-made one here. In another video I'll show how to make this sauce as well. It's very simple. This quantity is as per taste. How much ever you want you can. I'm spreading it evenly till the edge. So this is what gives the taste. So when you can make the base at home, why buy it? You can make it fresh and eat fresh pizzas at home. I'm sure many of you have started using the microwave during this lockdown period, as all the restaurants and everything, takeaways, everything was stopped, and you would have learned that how simple and easy it is to make at home and also healthy. So now I'll place the vegetables. The more you keep vegetables, the more nutritious it becomes. So in this one I have kept all rings. The other one I'll keep chopped vegetables. So our family likes a lot of vegetables, so I'm keeping plenty. In the same way I'm doing this. So it's already has got salt and pepper. The base also has got a little bit of salt. If you want, you can sprinkle salt in the end on the top. Actually, if you want, you can grate cheese first and then put the vegetables, and then again one more layer of cheese you can spread. So this way when you cut, every slice will have lot of vegetables. Cheese also up to you. You can use as much as you want. The more the cheese, more tastier it will be. This is mozzarella cheese which melts well. So once your base is ready, making pizza is very simple. You just apply the sauce, put the toppings of your choice, and spread it with a generous amount of cheese, and you're ready to go. So once again, if you want, you can add salt, but I'm not going to. I've got some chili flakes here, and I've got oregano, and I've got basil. If you have fresh basil, fresh oregano, it will be more tasty. And once again, I'm going to top it with a little bit of olive oil. Now we can place it for baking. I'll have to preheat the oven. I'll keep it at 220. You can keep it at 200 as well. I'm keeping at 220. So it is ready, preheated. So I'm going to keep both simultaneously, just like I baked the base. So I'll select time now, 20 minutes I'll keep. So till the base becomes crunchy and the cheese melts. So 10 minutes are over, already you can see the cheese has melted. But for the base to be crunchy, you have to keep for 20 to 25 minutes. And since I've kept both together. So 20 minutes are over. So it is stopped. Looks yum. So it's very hot now. I'll transfer it to the plate. And once I cut it, I'll know how crunchy or how it is. So hot, yummy pizza is ready. I don't have basil, but I'm going to use tulsi instead of that. Fresh tulsi leaves from the plant in a balcony. So it will taste equally good as basil. It's an equivalent of basil actually.